Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today I will be showing you how I achieved this look right here. So going in with my favorite primer, I am going to be using the Too Faced Hangover Primer for my face. Next up for foundation, I will be using the Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Soft Beige. I absolutely love this foundation and it has quickly become one of my favorite foundations of all time, and it is so amazing because it is only $4.99 at the drugstore. And I am using my BH Cosmetics brush to blend it out. And I am just going to apply a little bit more of the foundation to really build it up. Using my Real Techniques beauty sponge, I'm going to blend it out for a more seamless finish and make sure that there isn't any brush strokes. Then I'm going in with my LA Girl concealer and concealing my under eyes and also highlighting the high points of my face. And using the same sponge, I'm going to blend out that concealer. Then going in with my Makeup Revolution setting powder, I'm going to be setting my under eyes and everywhere else that I put concealer on. And then I'm going to brush it all off. And just a reminder, all of the products that I used will be linked down below in the description box for you. Moving on to brows, I'm going to be using my tried and true Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip-brow pomade in the shade Medium Brown. So one trick that I really like to do is to spray my eyebrow brush with some hairspray and then run that through my eyebrows to make my eyebrow hairs stay up all day, because mine tend to droop and start to fall a little bit throughout the day. So this really holds them up in place, and I strongly suggest you guys to do that because it's pretty life-changing. Then going in with my favorite Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to be applying raw sienna into the crease. And I'm going to be really buffing it out. Then going in with the Real Gar, I'm going to be applying that shade just a little below the first transition shade that we used. And also be sure to buff that out as well. Then going in with the Stila waterproof liquid eyeliner, I'm going to be applying that to my eye to create a really nice thin wing. And I'm not sure why. I think maybe this eyeliner is getting old and it's drying out. I've used it way too many times, but it did kind of skip. But usually this eyeliner never skips. It never smudges. It is perfect. It really truly does stay on all day and all night. It does not matter. I highly recommend you guys get it. It's really, really nice. Then I'm going to just curl my eyelashes just a little bit, and we are going to be using some fake lashes today as well. I do like to tightline my eye. I think tightlining makes a huge difference. Just be careful not to stab your eye like I just did. Going in with the Buxom Mascara in the shade Blackest Black, I'm going to be applying just a small thin layer of mascara since we are going to be using some fake lashes. So first for the under eye, I'm going to be mixing these two shades from our palette and I'm going to be applying it under my eye. Then going in with Real Gar, I'm just going to be placing that right on top of those two shades. And applying some mascara to our bottom lashes. Going in with my Duo Glue in black. I really like black because, I don't know, I just find that the white one always leaves like marks on my black eyeliner and it's so annoying. So if you guys are pretty good at applying eyelashes, I do recommend the black one because it just dries black and it doesn't make your eyeliner look messed up or leave any white marks on it. Oh, and I did forget to mention that I use the Ardell Wispies for my eye. And this concludes the finished makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know down below in the comments what video you would like to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!